Good evening everyone. So, dear students, as I told you in the previous class, today I am going to teach you, or today we are going to discuss the question answers. Okay, the question answers and grammar part of the lesson, the questions of mangoes. So students, all of you open the page number 8. Okay, so firstly we will discuss multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. So students, get ready with the pencil. Okay, so here take the correct answer in each. Let us read the first question. His mouth began to water. It shows that. His mouth began to water. It shows that. So when the Swaminathan was thinking about the mangoes, so his mouth began to water. So what is it shows? Option A, Swami was thirsty. B, Swami loved mangoes. C, Swami was feeling very hot. So dear students, can you guess which one is correct option? Okay, among these three options. So the option B is correct. Swami loved mangoes. So when he loves his mangoes, so when he heard about the mangoes, so quite naturally his mouth began to water. Okay, so let us go to the second question. So turn the page number 9. Here second one, how many mangoes did Rama have? How many mangoes did Rama have? Option A 5, B 10, C 15. So option B is correct here. So Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas for 10 mangoes. Correct now? So tick the right mark of the B1. Okay. Then third one, while teaching Swaminathan, his father was A, getting irritated, B, feeling tired, C, happy. See, when Swaminathan's father was teaching to him, his father, how does he feel? Okay, how did he feel? A, getting irritated, B, feeling tired, C, happy. So which one is correct option? A. Option A is correct. Okay, getting irritated. So tick the right mark with the pencil. Now let us discuss the read and answer. Read and answer. So here students, first write true as a T or false as a F. So here there are 4 statements are there. So read the statements carefully. Whether if it is the statement is true, okay, you can write as a T in this given the box. Okay. Then if the statement is false, I mean it is lie. The statement is in lie. So you can write F. F means false. Okay. The A1, Swami compelled Krishna to Shankar. So this statement is true or false? Okay. So this statement is true. Okay. Swaminathan, he compelled Krishna to Shankar when he was thinking about the sum, how to solve the sum. Okay. So write T here, capital T. Then B1, Swami's father was very happy. Isn't it? Swami's father wasn't it? Swami's father was very happy. Was it correct? No, he was not happy. So write here F. This statement is false. This statement is untrue. Okay. Then the C1. Swami wanted to know whether the mangoes were ripe or not. See. Swami wanted to know whether the mangoes were ripe or not. Dear students, can you guess whether it is true or false? Yes, exactly. It is true. Okay. Then the D1. Finally, Swami solved the sum. Did it right? Finally, Swami solved the sum. Is it true or false? No, he did not solve the sum. Correct now? So write here F. Okay. Now let us go to the second one. That is question. What did father do when Swami asked whether the mangoes were ripe or not? See. What did father do when Swami asked whether the mangoes were ripe or not? So the answer is his father, okay, regarded him for a while, then suppressing a smile, okay, told him to do the sum first, then he would tell him if the mangoes were ripe or not. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Then the second one, what was a crime according to Swami? So what was a crime? So according to Swami, it was a crime to expect 15 annas for 10 unripe mangoes. So this was the crime according to Swami. Then let us go to the think and answer. Okay. So students, think and answer. Here, the first one, why did Swaminathan feel an unaccountable sympathy for Krishna? Answer, Swaminathan felt an unaccountable sympathy for Krishna because Krishna wanted to only 4 mangoes, but Rama was determined to get 15 annas for his 10 mangoes. Okay, so that's why the Swaminathan feel an unaccountable sympathy for Krishna. Then second one, Swami felt utterly helpless. Why did this happen? Here, Swami felt utterly helpless because his father would not tell him if the mangoes were ripe or not. Okay, he strongly felt that he could solve the sum if he knew whether they were ripe or not. Since his father was not telling him what he wanted to know, he felt utterly helpless. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, then the third one. Why was Swaminathan beginning to hate Rama? Why was Swaminathan beginning to hate Rama? Here Swami was beginning to hate Rama because he was selling 10 unripe mangoes for 15 annas. So here this Swami thought to be a crime and felt that Rama had the darkest qualities. So this is the answer for this question. Then the fourth one here. Solve the sum that Swaminathan's father gave him and show it to your maths teacher. See. So solve the sum that Swaminathan's father gave him and show it to your maths teacher. So can you solve this sum, dear students? Let us try to solve. Okay. Here Rama has 10 mangoes. Rama is the he has 10 mangoes. Okay. Now he wants to earn 15 annas. Okay. He wants to earn 15 annas for 10 mangoes. So what is the first? Let us find out the cost of one mango. Okay. What we do? 15 divided by 10. Okay. Here 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So what will be the cost here? 3 by 2. It means 1.5 annas. So the cost of one mango is 1.5 annas. So here 4 mangoes which Krishna wants to buy. Okay. So 4 into 1.5 equals to 6 annas. So here the Krishna has to pay 6 annas for 4 mangoes. So this is the answer. Okay. Now, fifth one. Get ready with the pencil, dear students. If you want to buy 2 mangoes and you have less money, what will you do? Take the best option. So for example, if you want to buy 2 mangoes, okay, at the time you have less money, you are unable to buy those 2 mangoes because of the reason for the high cost. So what will you do? So there are given 4 options here. A1, you shall bargain. So will you ask the shopkeeper to make less price? Or you shall take only one mango. So will you take one mango when you have less money? Or C, you shall keep one secretly in your bag. So will you keep one secretly in your bag while purchasing the mango without knowing him, without knowing the shopkeeper? Or D, you shall bring more money from home and buy the mangoes. So will you get back to your home to buy bring the money, and will you buy more mangoes? So which option is correct? So this is think and tick the right option. Okay, then let us complete the reference to context. Reference to context. Okay, here read this sentence and answer the questions that follow. Let me read the statement here. Get the slate here. I will make you give the answer now. A1. Who said these words and to whom? So who said those words? Get the slate here. I will make you give the answer now. Swaminathan's father said those words to Swaminathan. Okay, or to him. Okay. Then B1. What was the question for the answer? So what was the question for the answer? The question for the answer was, Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much will Krishna have to pay? So this is the answer for this question. Then C, is the speaker angry or happy? So speaker means who is speaker here? The Swaminathan's father. So was he happy or angry? So here they asked here. So Swaminathan, the speaker is angry. Okay. Then D1. What happens next? So Swaminathan's father studies the sum and probes him in order to help him solve it. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Now let us go to the next main, that is grammar. So dear students, go to the next page, that is the grammar part. Okay, here. So the topic is gerunds. What is the topic? Gerunds. Dear students, do you know what is gerund? Do you know? So a gerund is the ing form of a verb that functions the same as a noun. See? Gerund is it is the ing form of a verb that functions the same as a noun. Okay, and for example, running is fun. So in this sentence, running is running. So in this word, run is the main verb. So when you add the ing form, it becomes running. So running is the gerund. Running is the gerund. Have you understood? So it acts just like a noun. Okay, naming word. And one more example. Writing in English is difficult. Writing in English is difficult. So writing here, the first word of the subject of the sentence here. So writing. Okay, write is the main verb. And when you add the ing form to the right, so it becomes writing. Okay, here writing in English is difficult. So here writing is it is a gerund. And one more example, I love going out to restaurant. I love going out to restaurant. So here going is it is also gerund. Okay, and one more. My cat's favorite activity is sleeping. See, my cat's favorite activity is sleeping. See, the gerund comes at the end of the sentence. So we say object it is. So sleeping is it is a gerund. So have you understood, dear students? A gerund is the ing form of a verb that functions the same as a noun. So we say gerunds. So here, read the following sentences here. Wind was blowing over the mountains. So which is given the word with a dark black, blowing is here gerund, so it acts as a noun. And here the little girl started fanning herself. The little girl started fanning herself. So fanning is also here gerund. Okay. So in these sentences, the verb means fan, fan, and plus ing form is used. So in this sentence, main verb plus ing form is used here. Okay. So the verb plus ing form is used to form continuous tenses. So in the present continuous, past continuous or future continuous tenses, we use verb plus ing form to show the continuous. Okay. So here, dear students, remember the verb plus ing form is also used to act as an adjective, noun or verb. So that is to form gerunds or participles. Okay. So here the verb plus ing form may also be used as a noun. This noun can be used as a subject or object of the verb. So students, listen carefully and watch carefully. The verb plus ing form is the noun. We may also be used as a noun. Okay. This noun can be used as a subject. Okay. In the beginning of the sentence, subject we say no. So the first part of the sentence is called subject, and the end of the sentence is called object. Okay. So here this noun can be used as a subject or object of the verb. Okay. So we say gerunds. So here some examples have been given here. Eating at fixed hours is a good habit. Eating. So here the eating verb plus ing form comes in the beginning of the sentence. So we say subject it is. Okay. At fixed hours is a good habit. So it is the verb. And second one, he hasn't stopped eating. He hasn't stopped eating late at night. So here eating is it is also gerund it is. Okay, it comes in the middle of the sentence. So stopped is the verb here. So here in first sentence, eating is the subject of the verb is. So eating is the subject of the verb is. And the second sentence, eating is the object of the verb stopped. So have you understood? Okay, let us go to the next page here. So when the ing form of a verb is used as a noun, it is known as a gerund. So students, when the ing form of a verb is used as a noun, it is known as a gerund. So pick the gerunds from the sentences. So students, there are 4 sentences have been given here. So read the sentence carefully and find out the gerunds and underline it. Okay. So walking is good for health. Walking is good for health. So here in this sentence walking, so gerund comes in the beginning of the sentence. So walking is walk plus ing, walking. So it is the gerund. So underline the word gerund. Okay, underline the word walking. Then second one, I hate sleeping in the afternoon. I hate sleeping in the afternoon. So here also find the gerund here in the second sentence, sleep plus ing, sleeping, correct no? So the gerund came in the middle of the sentence. So sleeping is a gerund. Okay. Then underline the word sleeping. Third one, Rina is fond of listening to music. Rina is fond of listening to music. So here also listening is the gerund. Okay, underline the word gerund. The next one, fourth one, my grandma is very good at telling stories. My grandma is very good at telling stories. So in this statement, telling is the it is gerund. So tell plus ing, telling. Okay, telling, it is also gerund. So underline the word telling. Now participles and suitable verbs. So here the verb plus ing form can be used like an adjective to tell us something more about a noun here. So when used as an adjective, it is used on its own without a helping verb. So for example, the winning team will be awarded a special prize. So here winning is it is a winning, it act as a adjective here. So this adjective does not need any helping verbs here. Correct? No, it is there here any without helping verbs. Okay. So such adjectives formed from verbs with the help of ing are usually called present participles. The form of a participles is like that of a gerund. Okay. So verb plus ing. So let us complete the activity, dear students. So verb plus ing. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the brackets. The words can be gerunds or participles. See, first one, I must thank you for. So in the bracket help is there. So just add the ing form to the main verb help. So it becomes helping. I must thank you for helping me decorate the Christmas tree. So helping is the adjective here. Then the second one, she started dash the room before her mother came in. So here clean is there. So add ing to the main verb and it becomes cleaning. So she started cleaning the room before the mother came in. Okay. Then third one, dash to loud music gives me a headache. See, dear students, dash to loud music gives me a headache. So listen is the no. So add the ing form to the main verb. So listen, then it becomes listening. Correct? No? Then it becomes listening. So subject of the sentence, listening to loud music to gives me a headache. Okay. Then fourth one, my aunt likes dash cakes for her family. So what type of cakes that is? Cake that is? So baking. So bake is the no. The bake is a verb. So when you add the ing form to the main verb, this bake, so it becomes baking. So my aunt likes baking cakes for her family. Okay. Then the fifth one, I think you like dash more than dash jog. Say, I think you like swim is there. Swimming. It make it swimming. I think you like my swimming more than jogging. See, swimming and jogging are the gerunds here. Okay. Then let us go to the next main, that is learn new words. Learn new words. Here, students, read each of the following and circle the correct synonym. Synonym means the word which is similar to the another word. So we say synonym. So here, read each of the following and circle the correct synonym. Okay. Here first one example has been given here. Task is there. So task. What is the synonym for this word? Walked. No, the word is walked. It won't similar to this word task. Okay, perfect. Wrong. Job. Absent. So job is a similar word to the similar meaning to the word task. Have you understood? So job is the correct synonym. Okay. So same as the first one. Compensate. So compensate means pay, live, allow, fire. So which one is correct? Do you know? So compensate. So which word is similar to this word? So pay is the synonym for the word compensate. Okay. Then second one, permit. Permit. Here shallow, allow, endless, present. So allow is the similar word to the similar meaning to the word permit. Okay. Then third one, sequence. Here order, final, written, sense. So which is the similar meaning to this word? So sequence means order. So order is a similar meaning to the word sequence. Have you understood, dear students? Then let us go to the next one. Next page. And fourth one, okay, prompt. It means tune, quick, late, enjoy. Prompt. What is mean by prompt? Do you know, students? Prompt. So here, tune, quick, late, enjoy. So here, quick is the similar meaning to the word prompt. Okay. Then the fifth one, assign. Assign means live, careful, give, wonder. So here, give is the it is a similar word to the similar meaning to the word assign. Assign means give. Okay. Now fill in the blanks using the words given in exercise A. Okay. So fill in the blanks carefully using these words given in exercise A. Okay. So first one, the teacher will allot a dash to each one of us. So what they will allot? Task. Correct? No. So the teacher will allot a task to each one of us. Second one, the owner wanted me to dash for the broken glass. So what can you write here? The owner wanted me to dash for the broken glass. So a boy or a girl, she might have been broken a glass of the window. So the owner of the window, he wanted him or her to pay for the broken glass. So we use pay or compensate. Okay. Then third one, my father will not dash me to go to the movie tonight as I have not studied for my exam. So here, my father will not permit. We say permit, or we can say allow. Okay. Then fourth one, I never expected such dash answers. What can we use here? Prompt answer. So prompt means quick. Okay. I never expected such prompt answers. Then the last one, that is fifth one, please arrange the answers in dash and then hand over the answer sheet. Please arrange the answers in dash and then hand over the answer sheet. So what can we which word can we give here? So sequence means order. So please arrange the answers in sequence and then hand over the answer sheet. So when the exam has been over, so your teacher will collect the papers in the sequence, means they will arrange the papers in a rule number wise. Correct now? So we say sequence. Okay, or order. Then let us go to the next main, that is B1. Complete the sentences given below by using adjective. Okay. So by using adjective. So here the first one, the dash butterflies have many dash colors. So dash the, dear students, the dash butterflies have many dash colors. So dear students, sorry for the disturbance because of my mouse is not working properly. Okay, now it's working now. See, what can we fill here? Adjective. So I told you, verb plus ing. So that's we have to fill here. The flying butterflies have many beautiful colors. Next, Susie planted sweet flowers in the flower pot. So you can add here sweet. Susie planted sweet flowers in the flower pot. So you can use the adjective sweet here. Okay. Then third one, there were ducks that swam in the muddy pond. So muddy is the adjective. Okay, it is an adjective, muddy. So you can write here muddy. There were ducks that swam in the muddy pond. The fourth one, it was a dash day. So you can use here dull. dull day. Okay, dull is an adjective. Fifth one, children jumped into the dash water to cool off. Children jumped into the dash water to cool off. So here you can use cool water. Okay, cool is also, it is also adjective. Okay, children jumped into the cool water to cool off. Then sixth one, the dash children went home to rest. So here after playing, the children feels that they are what is that, tired, correct? No, we can say here the tired children went home to rest. So students, let us go to the next one, that is punctuate. So here use full stop and commas wherever necessary. So here give vegetables, fruits, milk, sweets and pastries for today's party. So this sentence does not have any full stop or commas. Okay, so when you read out the sentence without full stop or commas, we cannot understand correctly or properly, correct? No. So when you read the sentence by using the punctuations, so it gives some accurate meaning, okay, of the sentence, about the sentence. So here get vegetables, here comma should come, and fruits after the noun, comma, milk, comma, sweets, comma, and pastries for today's party, full stop, over. Have you understood? Give vegetables, fruits, milk, sweets and pastries for today's party, full stop. So have you understood, dear students? Okay, now let us go to the next title, that is spell, writing skill. Here write the plural form of these words. See, the words has given the box, so read those words and write the plural form. Okay, here first one, child. What is the plural of child? Children. Okay, leaf, L-E-A-F. So plural is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S. Next, baby, B-A-B-Y. Baby plural is babies, B-A-B-I-E-S. Monkey. What is the plural of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. Then shower. Showers. S-H-O-W-E-R. Showers plural. Box. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes is a plural. Then deed. D-E-E-R. Deed. The plural is deer itself. Okay. D-E-E-R. Deed. Okay. Then horse. Horse plural is horses. H-O-R-S-E-S. So these are the plurals. Okay. Now let us go to the last one. Here writing skills. Okay. Imagine your Swami's father. Write a letter to your friend telling him or her about the incident when you taught mathematics to Swami here. So in the left side of the page, letter. So write the address. Okay. To whom do you want to send? Okay. Next, start with the dear. Okay. Then you can start using these hints. One day I decided to teach my son Swaminathan arithmetic. What was Swaminathan doing? The arithmetic sum, Swaminathan's reaction after reading the sum, Swaminathan's query and father's reaction and conclusion. Then your name and signature, then place and date. Okay, so will you do it, dear students? Okay, so today you have learned the question answers and grammar part of this lesson. I hope you have understood very well. Okay, and if you have any queries or doubts, you can contact me through the WhatsApp. So I try to solve your problems or doubts. Okay, students, and after posting this video, I will send the answers, key answers of this lesson. So what you do, copy those answers in a notebook neatly and get ready for the upcoming examination. Okay, Thank you. Thank you. Thank you everyone, students.